And in last two lectures, we have seen of in last lecture we have seen related to the Giron's formula. So I think you must now know what is Giron's formula. Giron's formula is to find the area of triangle by using three sides. So first of all, we will write the formula, that is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Symbol related we can say triangle or we can say delta. Generally, we have used it. Your triangle is equal to under root S, S minus B. Now, today's topic related with the ratio and perimeter. In last lecture, we have discussed then when these sides are given 3, 4 and 5, three sides are given. We can find out area of triangle by using Giron's formula. Another is when two sides are given and both are equal. We can also find out this called isosceles triangle. When a scalar triangle is there, when three different sides are there, but out of three, two sides are given, and third side we have to find out, but on that time perimeter is given. So that is different types of sum that we have already visualized or completed in first lecture. So today's topic is related with the ratio and perimeter. It means what? Three sums we have to discuss. Ratios means sides are given in form of ratio. B ratio 4 ratio 5. Always remember when ratio is there, we have to assume x is a side. So three sums are there: 3 ratio 4 ratio 5, 3 ratio 5 ratio 7, and 25 ratio 7 ratio 12. So from first we have to start. Let side is equal to x. So we can say A is equal to dx, B is equal to 4x, and C is equal to 5x. And perimeter is given as 144 centimeter. Now, perimeter is given 144 centimeter, A, B, and C is given. So, by using both, perimeter P is equal to A plus B plus C. Now, what we have to put? We have to put value of P, A, B, and C. So, 144 is equal to dx plus 4x plus 5x. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 12. So 144x is equal to 144 is equal to 12x. Therefore, where x is equal to 144 divided by 12. So x is equal to 12. So 12 is 144. So we can understand by doing the cancellation. We can say 12, 12. So value of x we have get, that is 12. Now what we have to find out, all these three sides. A is given as a dx. So first of all I have to find out A, that is 3 into 12, that is 36. Now B, that is 4x. So 4 into 12, that is 48. And C is equal to 5 into 12, that is 60. So A, B, and C already we have got. Now, last lecture we go through this formula. So first of all, we have to find out S. S is equal to perimeter by 12. So perimeter, that is given 144 divided by 2, that is 72. Now we can put area under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now try to solve yourself and give me the answer, because I can pause this or you can pause and see the figures. What value we have to put? S, that is 72. 72 minus 36. 72 minus 48 and 72 minus 60. Now try to solve the answer with yourself and give me the answer. Or you can write yourself because you cannot get the directly answer. 72 into 36 into 24 into 12. That way you will subtract it. Now try to solve yourself. Let me see how many years trying to solve this. So anyone try it? Okay. What we have to do? It's better. Best is what? 72 as it is, 36 as it is, 24 into 2 into 24. See now, 72 as it is, 36 as it is, 2 into 12 is equal. So now 36 to the 72. So here 72 2 times 12 is also 2 times. So we will see that we can get answer is 72 into 12. So 72 into 12. 72 into 12. 2 to the 4, 7 to the 14. 2 1 the 2, 7 1 to the 2. So 864. So 864 centimeter square is area of triangle when three sides are in form of ratio. When three sides are in form of ratio, you can find out by using Hero's formula. Two some still remaining that you have to solve it yourself. I am writing it here and give hints to you. You have to solve it yourself. So mostly exercise 12.15 sums already I am completed related with this because ratio sums are also there, scalar sum is also there, isosceles sum is also there, and ratio type sum is also there. So this sum I have completed. Now these both sum you have to do it yourself. Just go to this video or again I am explaining to you. When ratios are given 3 ratio 4 ratio 5, so we have to assume x, 3x, 4x and 5x. Perimeter is given 144. So 144 is equal to 3x plus 4x plus 5x. So 144 is equal to 12x. So x is equal to 144 divided by 12. So x is equal to 12. Now what I have to put? A is equal to 3 into 12. That is put value of x in the given side. That is a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 4x, is equal to 5x. And if you put value, then you have to put the value in s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here now one more sum that we have to discuss, that is 12 ratio 5 ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7, or we can say okay now 25 ratio 17 ratio 12, that is in your also textbook. So that I am doing third sum. Second sum, do it yourself. So A is equal to again 25x, B is equal to again 17x, and C is equal to again 12x. Now if we total it, perimeter P is equal to A plus B plus C. So perimeter is 81, 540. So I have to write 548 here. And A plus B plus C, that is 25 plus 17 plus 12. 12, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 2, 14, 84, 31, 4, 5, 6, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 54x. So 540 is equal to 54x. Therefore, x is equal to 540 divided by 54. That is x is equal to 10. So now putting value of 10 in EPC, we can get value of A. A is equal to 250, B is equal to 170, C is equal to 120. Now you have to put all these three values and you have to solve yourself. You will get some answer. Then you are making a conclusion. So now formula is under root S, that is again S. How we can find out S? S is equal to perimeter by 2. That is 540 divided by 2. That is 270. So perimeter is equal to 270. So in under root we have to write 270. That is S semi perimeter. Now S minus A, that is 270 minus A. A is equal to 250. Again second, that is 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 130. Now if we write it here, 270 as it is I have to write. Now subtract yourself 270 minus 250. 270 minus 250, that is 20. 270 minus 170, that is 100. 270 minus 120, that is 150. Now you have to make a prime factor such that you will get multiplication of it. Either you have to put value like that, you will get multiplication of it. You will see that here 20 into 15. Generally, if you will say 15 into 2, that is 30. 30, 27 threes are 27 threes are. If I multiply 27, 2 and 15. 27, 2 and 15 I multiply. 27 into 2, 54 into 15. All 15 twos are 30. 27 into 2 into 15. And what I have to write all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros I have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros I have to write. If you multiply 15 twos are 30. 30 into 27, 910. 800, sorry, 810 into 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 15 twos are 30, 27 threes are 81 and 1 zero. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros are there. 81 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros are there. 81 is a square of 9. Is a square of 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. So I have to write 9,000. So under root 9,000, if I write 2 times, I will get answer 9,000 meters square or centimeter square. If it is centimeter, then I have to write centimeter square. Write it now because it is the important sum. And now do it yourself this sum. That is 3 raised to 5 raised to 7 and p is equal to 300. You have to do it yourself. So everyone written it or not? Now, if I want to do this sum, then question number second. How we can do it? Again, how we can do it? That is question number 2. So, again take hints. Now P 300 is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 7x. So 300 is equal to 15x. 15x x is equal to 20. Shortcut way I am explaining, x equal to 20. So A is equal to what you have to write? 20 into 30, that is 60 centimeter. B is equal to 20 into 50, that is 100 centimeter. And C, that is 20 into 70, 140 centimeter. So 60 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and 140 centimeter. And then you have to put under S minus A, S minus A, S minus C. You will get answer. The answer of it, that is 1500 root E. Answer of it is 1500 root 3 centimeter square. That you have to find out yourself. And in this, in the month when you are watching this video, in the end of this month, you have to take your unit 2 exam. In unit 2, only 2 lessons are there, that is 3 and 4, and it is easy. Material is also given to you, so you can see your percentage. Thank you.